We got ourselves an old barn.
Got ourselves some bikes.
And we are starting a YouTube channel.
Welcome to the Heya Garage.
When we first arrived at the barn, it was a huge mess. There was stuff everywhere. We couldn't even walk properly.
Let us show you how we clean it up and made it into our own workspace.
Our first bike is a Yamaha XS850. This is an old bike from 1981. The 850cc 3-cylinder air-cooled engine connected to a driveshaft makes it an interesting bike. The previous owner modified the bike in some interesting ways, like lights to see if the alternator is charging, a light to see if the front headlight is working, and some switches to start the bike with your left hand, to turn off all electric of the whole bike. He even puts a full-sized car battery in the back box, just to make sure it would start in winter. We're gonna take most of this off and fix some of the issues the bike has. More on this in the next video.
Our second bike is an Aprilia RS 125. It was my first bike ever and I bought it about 7 years ago. Back in 2019 I put the bike in storage and everything on the Aprilia worked fine. The plan was to only store it for one winter. When the spring started I got a license for a bike with more power and I bought another bike. This made me forget about my lovely Aprilia and it dusted away. The only good part about this is that the mileage is still really low. It's a bike from 1999 and it only has about 7,700 kilometers. The Aprilia is equipped with a 125cc 1-cylinder. Luckily for us, it's an old-fashioned screaming 2-stroke. It's also equipped with a Mikuni racing carb and a Jolly Motor exhaust as well. So when the bike runs, it has a bit more power than stock. Our plan is to first of all clean the bike, then inspect what has to be replaced, and eventually make it perfect again.
So, if you want to see more of these bikes, our adventures in this garage, make sure to subscribe to our channel.
We hope to see you again on our next video.
Heya!